Okay guys, just type campaign on your page. Okay, this is it right here. PWING Studio. So you just click on the app. You can see how it comes out. It will comes like this is how it will comes out. So let's just go right into their studio without wasting of our time. What makes me to be using this campaign, let me just give you the tips. Moreover, we are one, so you get to get it also. Is a full application. You can see how to edit a screenshot, a magic, like it's everything. Like I like this app, so that is why I'm using it. So yeah, that is just why I'm using it. So if you love it also, you can download it and started using it. It comes like this. I hope you can see how it comes, and you get started inside the video. So let's quickly go and substitute. You can use it for a lot of things. I'll show us right now. You can, it's full editing, so just try to apply your account with it, your YouTube account with it. I don't know the one that you will be using for it, maybe your Facebook or your YouTube, but I prefer, if you're a YouTuber, link your account. As you can see my own account here, so you'll be able to link direct to your previous video for you to edit that one. So you click on it, get started. Right here we have upload a video, we have text, we have image, we have timeline, we have screen, audio, subtitle, elements. So it's full fashion of editing hypes. So let's pick a video, the one that we want to generate on time. Before, I don't want to take too much of our time, so let's just go and pick it up and edit whatever we want to edit. Video, I'm so sorry, we have a lot of, oh my gosh, I have a lot of, so I'll quickly pick a short video that we are going to generate on time, for me not to take too much of our time, because you must allow it to full. Like you can see the MB, the way it's loading. You must allow your clip to load before you start editing. So before it loads, let me quickly explain some of these tips here, right here, how we can use it. This is full studio we have. If you are done, this is where you share it. This is where you explore your video. If you are done here, right here we have edit, we have animation. The edit here we have trimming. So if you want to trim your video, you want to cut it, as I told us earlier on, is a full editing app. So here, if you want to adjust, so you want to put more brighter to hit, you want it to be bright, and you want it to be crop, you want to crop out of it. So that is where you do it. And again, do we have, it's like we have a background here. Yeah, so if you want to put a background on it also, we have backgrounds. So if you want to insert another audio, right here you find it. So we have audio right here. If you want to insert another audio into your video, so here is animation. So if you want to fast forward it, like, so you just click on it and use any fashion that you wish to use. So if you want to element it, you want to create audio, screen, timeline, it's almost done. Our video has generated, so sorry, once it's generated, finished, so it becomes like this, the size of the video that you're gonna make. And yeah, and the background, I've told us earlier on, the color, if you want to put backgrounds there. So my size, this is the size of the video that I made, 16:9, which is YouTube. So you're gonna go down, you go down. So we are going to go down, so sorry, my clip, yeah, that is the clip I'm going to use. So you click it because it will highlight it, and if you didn't clip it, yeah, very well, so it will be shaking. You'll be able to do whatever you want to do. So this is our clip that we are going to work on. This is what we are going to work on. This is how it will look like. So you just click on the subtitle. Immediately it will subtitle it for us. As you can see, it's generating it now, so you have to wait small. So you play your video and you listen to it very well. You edit it the same way I've told us, the same way I show us right inside the YouTube studio, the one I told us. You can see how it looks like. So you click the generate. You are the one that made the video, so you know what you said already. So immediately let us generate. So if you have your own subtitle, like you can create from beginning to end, it's fine by you. Just click add subtitle. But if you know you cannot from the beginning, is too much for you, that you don't have that time, you click auto generate, the green color. You click generate it now, and I've edited it. So the next thing I will just play and listen to it again. Okay, you can see if you have your InShot on your phone, so it's correct with what I've written. So if you are done, it's very cheap and very easy. So you just press done. So you upload it to where you are going to upload, or you can play it again for you to check, for you to cross check it. So let's play from the beginning.
So if you have your InShot on your phone, you are blessed. You just go to your picture, so you pick any logo
that you want and you insert it right away in your phone. So that is just it, how we do it. So you press done. So if you are done, and you just press export, you export the video. That is just the cheap way and the easiest way that you can use to substitute a subtitle or transcribe your voice to your text. So I hope we've gained one or two things for today, and I hope we really enjoy today's video. Guys, keep watching my video. Always watch and gain something. Let's just build and grow together. And drop your comment, please. Kindly, I'm beseeching you and I'm encouraging you, kindly like, thumbs up, at least thumbs up. You come to someone's house, I've never been doing it for someone, and now we never do it. Like, coming to your house for me not to thumbs up, because it's not easy for you, the effort and the strength that you've used to upload something there. I will appreciate the effort. Please, I beg you in the name of God, thumbs up for me. Your recommendation will be the one that YouTube will use to be promoting my video, and for me to be able to do well. So if you love yourself, kindly love your neighbor, kindly love me too. So thank you for watching for today, and thank God for today's tips. And if you love more of this, kindly drop it at the comment section. Bye for now.